certificate of recognition presented to HE Ambassador Jean Bosco Bakoreye. In deepest appreciation for your unwavering commitment, active participation, and steadfast support of the Burundian diaspora in the United States, your dedication to unity among Burundians abroad, tireless advocacy for interests of Burundi and its citizens, and your continued efforts to strengthen the bonds of brotherhood and national pride have left an unendable mark on our community. As the ambassador of Burundi to the United States, you have gone above and beyond your diplomatic duties, becoming a champion for unity, collaboration, and progress. Your leadership has been a beacon of hope and powerful example of patriotic service. With a profound gratitude, this certificate is awarded on behalf of Burundian diaspora worldwide. Senior Director.